Hello and welcome back to The Intelligent Investor. In this video, I am going to talk about how the stock market works and about the different ways you can make money with it. As always, it's important to note that I am not a financial advisor. The information presented in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. So, what is the stock market? The stock market is a financial market where publicly traded companies' stocks are bought and sold. When you buy a stock, you are essentially buying a small ownership stake in a company. The value of the stock is determined by the supply and demand for it. If a company is doing well and its profits are expected to grow, the demand for its stock will increase, driving the price up. On the other hand, if a company is not doing well and its profits are expected to decline, the demand for its stock will decrease, causing the price to go down. In this video, I am going to provide you with 4 ways to make money from the stock market. One way is through dividends. Dividends are a portion of a company's profits that are distributed to shareholders. If you own stock in a company that pays dividends, you will receive a payment from the company on a regular basis. Let's say you own 100 shares of company XYZ, which is currently trading at $50 per share. Company XYZ announces that it will be paying a dividend of $1 per share to its shareholders. As a shareholder, you will receive a payment of $100, 100 shares x $1 per share, in dividends. If you hold onto the stock and continue to receive dividends, you can potentially earn a passive income stream from your investment in company XYZ. It's important to note that not all companies pay dividends, and the amount of dividends can vary. Some companies may choose to reinvest their profits back into the business instead of paying dividends to shareholders. It's also worth noting that the value of the stock can fluctuate, which can affect the overall value of your investment. Dividends are just one potential source of income from the stock market and should be considered as part of a diversified investment strategy. Another way to make money from the stock market is through capital gains. Capital gains occur when you sell a stock for more than you paid for it. For example, if you bought a stock for $50 and later sold it for $100, you would have made a capital gain of $50. In addition to buying and selling individual stocks, you could also invest in mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Mutual funds and ETFs are investment vehicles that allow you to diversify your portfolio by holding a basket of stocks, bonds, and other securities. This can help mitigate the risk of investing in a single company or sector. An example of an ETF is the S&P 500, which trades the top 500 companies. Finally, option trading is another way to make money from the stock market. An option is a financial contract that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price on or before a certain date. There are 2 types of options: call options and put options. A call option gives the buyer the right to buy the underlying asset, while a put option gives the buyer the right to sell the underlying asset. It is important to remember, option trading can be complex and involves a high level of risk, which means that it's important to have a thorough understanding of how options work before getting involved in option trading. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe in order to not miss my upcoming videos where I will talk in depth about the methods explained in this video.